Going to bed on a full stomach can disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling sluggish the next day. Certain foods can cause discomfort, indigestion, and heartburn, making it harder for you to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. If you're looking to improve your sleep, here are 6 foods you should avoid eating before bedtime. 1. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can cause heartburn, indigestion, and stomach discomfort, making it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. The heat and spices can also lead to excessive sweating, which can cause discomfort and disrupt your sleep. If you're craving spicy food, it's best to have it earlier in the day to give your body enough time to digest it before bedtime. 2. Fried foods. Fried foods are high in fat and can take longer to digest, leading to discomfort and indigestion. Eating fried foods before bed can also cause heartburn, making it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. Additionally, eating too much fat before bed can lead to weight gain and other health problems. 3. Dairy products. Dairy products, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, contain calcium, which can interfere with the absorption of certain sleep-inducing amino acids. This can make it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Additionally, dairy products are also known to cause bloating, gas, and indigestion, making it even harder to sleep comfortably. 4. Alcohol. Although alcohol may help you fall asleep faster, it can actually disrupt your sleep quality and leave you feeling tired the next day. Alcohol interferes with your natural sleep cycle, causing you to wake up in the middle of the night. Additionally, drinking alcohol before bed can also cause heartburn, indigestion, and frequent trips to the bathroom. 5. Caffeinated beverages. Caffeinated beverages, such as coffee, tea, and soda, should be avoided before bedtime. Caffeine is a stimulant that can keep you awake and make it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. Additionally, caffeine can cause an increase in heart rate and anxiety, making it even harder to relax and get a good night's sleep. 6. Sugary foods and snacks. Sugary foods and snacks can cause a quick burst of energy. But they can also lead to a crash in blood sugar levels, which can cause you to wake up in the middle of the night. Additionally, eating too much sugar before bed can also lead to weight gain and other health problems. Choosing the right foods before bedtime is crucial for a good night's sleep. Avoiding spicy, fried, dairy, alcoholic, caffeinated, and sugary foods and snacks can help you get the quality sleep you need to feel refreshed and ready for the next day. By making simple dietary changes, you can improve your sleep and overall health.